Hi, I'm Michael. Today I'm going to show you how to install a feature on an existing SQL Server instance. All right, let's go. First of all, you'll want to have the media file that you used. After you use that media file, you will go over to you'll start it up. I've already got it going just for quickness sake. It'll pop up the SQL Server installation. I can't say the word today. Anyways, it's going to ask you if you want if you want a new SQL Server installation. There it is, or add features to an existing installation. And you're going to just click on that, and this is what's going to pop up. So you're going to run through. It's going to show you check the install rules, having a warning on the firewall that it should be good. Go forward, and right here it's going to let you know, do you want to add a new SQL Server instance? We don't. We want to add a feature. I have multiple SQL Server instances on this one, so I'm just going to choose one of them. I'm going to go with SQL 1. This is my named instance. The other one happens to be mssql server. That is the default instance. Uh, I'm not going to use the Azure extension for SQL Server. We're just going to keep going. All right, so you can see what features are already installed on here. So we're going to go over here and add Polybase. All right, so Polybase is not installed on here at the moment. We're going to go ahead and click Next. All right, there it is. It's going to show you the port range that it's going to need for that. And it's going to see what accounts are running underneath. So it'll be the network service. So I'm going to keep those the same. You can change these to a Windows service account or whatever you're running. And then you can keep those probably on automatics best. Next. All right, and this is where it's going to install it and install. This is a relatively small feature, so I think that it should install relatively quick. We will see. Come on. And it is done. All right. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.